COVID-19 is a great problem for Bangladesh, China, and also for the world. It is creating havoc across the world. So, I think nobody should politicize this COVID-19 pandemic. It's a problem and should be tackled collectively. So, decision by President Biden to engage United States Intelligence Agency to investigate the origin of COVID-19 is not acceptable, and it is an unilateral approach which is not needed at the moment. This is very unprecedented act, and we condemn this approach thoroughly. The US approach is unilateral, which is not proper at this moment. For COVID-19 pandemic, we need a multilateral approach for investigation, for combating, for mutual cooperation. I think Biden administration is trying to establish its world supremacy by imposing its political interests, which will never be acceptable by anybody. So I think that engaging US intelligence to investigate the COVID-19 issue is totally a political move by the Biden administration to divert the failures of the US administration. Lastly, I want to say to combat the COVID-19, China has extended its cordial help towards Bangladesh. We appreciate that and we thank the Chinese authority. They have given us certain vaccines, but we think China will extend our cooperation for production of vaccine and distribution of vaccine so that we can combat COVID-19 pandemic with our own resources.